Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ella Loves Beauty, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a high bun with bang. Like on this tutorial I'm actually going to be using an expression. So as you can see, I already gelled my hair down in a ponytail. Yeah, what I basically did was that I just kind of combed my hair down and then used my got to be edge control what edge control styling gel. So this vertically for edges. So I just use my edge control got to be styling gel to kind of gel my hair down in a ponytail, and I just kind of went in with my scarf and tie it down and later remove it. The hair is not that dry yet, it's not that dry. So now we're just gonna go ahead and braid this down. So said I'm actually gonna be using expression braiding hair for today's tutorial, and the one I'm using, I have used it before. Like I'm just going to kind of reuse this. So yeah, so this is kind of an everyday go-to hairstyle. Yeah, as you can see, I already used this braiding hair. This is an expression braiding hair. So I already used this. I'm just gonna tie this down. So yeah, now this is how it actually looks. You can see here is short and this side is way longer. So I'm just gonna put this down to my ponytail. If you see me looking at this side, I'm actually looking at the monitor. Like there's no mirror here. I'm actually looking at my monitor to kind of do this. So I hope you guys don't mind. And yeah, just gonna put this down in the ponytail. I'm gonna make sure it's tight. So don't worry about this rubber band, so it won't show off later. Alright, so here, this is the one we're actually gonna be creating our bun with. This one right here. So to actually make sure this one is way secure, I'm going to take a little bit, just a little of this to secure that down properly. Or just kind of fold it around like this. You want to make sure it's very much tight, so that way it will be very easy to kind of secure. Take it this way and wrap it around. When wrapping around, you can see step 1 failed. It's very much tight. And when tying it down, you want to make sure this one is not going anywhere. Just kind of bringing it to the front. So now you tie it down. So So now you want to secure that end with a rubber band. Not a rubber band, with a bobby pin. You can choose to, you can sway. So now you have to comb this down. I feel like my face is covered. And then start chopping it off with the scissors to the exact place you actually need it. Just comb it through. Then raise it just like this. So yeah, here we have the final look. And I hope you guys love it. Like, I just wanted to like play a little with this hairstyle. So yeah, you know, it could have looked more nicer if I were to use a new braiding hair. So don't forget to comment down below if you want to see more hairstyles like this from me. And yeah, I kind of like this look right now. So this is how it turned out. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I want to get more videos ideas from you guys. Like I didn't even make up today. My face kind of look nice though. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this look, what you guys want to see next. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, favorite, whatever you want to do to it. And yeah, don't forget to tell me what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.